So hello guys, how are you? I am fine and you? Hope are you good and I am also good. And if you have children and you can play this game like the GTA 8 platform, and GTA 8 token is an innovative meme coin on the Solana network inspired by Android Tech and our vision is to develop skins and GTA real live GTA payment through the game and further partnership with Rockets gaming platform. And our bank account balance was a lot of like 1 million trillion thousand $1,000, and you can see this like the contract address detail, and you can be see this all like X like Telegram, and contact with us at Gmail and gta@gta.com. And if you want to buy this, I click on I will recommend it you to buy this token at a maximum rate. You can be get a lot of income at future. And first of all, I will show you the trading, like show you trading index, and you can say dexscanner.com GTA sold on the Radium, and this price was 0.00001830 right now. And you can see this the red candle was making now, and it will be pump soon. And you can be see this if this low, and you can buy at the lower rate. If you can buy at the lower rate, and you can be get the all of the income, and if this coin will be pump, and you can be get receive your benefit and like commissions. And you can see the buy sell, and a lot of people will be buy or sell this coin detail. And you can see the price at the maker like EAB platform, and like all addresses has been show you detail and watch list others multi chat. You can be see this all multi chat according to multi chat, and the protocol thing you can be buy this token at the marketplace DX scanners. And you can be see this token advertisement and order from DX scanner, and you can see this the order from the all detail in this side. You can be see this. And if you want to do the advertise your token, and you can be also use the text channel, I will recommend you to join like buy this coin like TLTalk platform, like buy this coin at the maximum rate, and from soul and mega soul will be it's cool. And how to get buy this, if you want to buy like GA platform, and you click on I understand, and then you just need to be see the soldier platform, and this was the current marketplace volume. And so I can just click on the connect wallet for you can how to get buy this token. And you can click on the trust wallet, and if you have a trust wallet you can do the buys. And trust wallet, I can open my trust wallet so I can get into my password. And you can be serious, so I can just click on the unlock platform, and you can just connect to a trust wallet and click on I can just click on it connect, and trust wallet connected successfully. And so first of all you need to be do sold in your wallet like Solana coin. And I think Solana coin price was $144 right now, and you just need to be get into your Solana coin like 0.008. And you can see the generator pop up with a lot of GTED coin webla, and you can be buy this at a maximum rate in your wallet, and you can be get all of the profit in the zone. And you can be see this simple process to be get how to get the buy this token at the maximum rate. And you can be see this all liquidity. I can again click on the buy now. I will show you liquidity price. And so I can click on the I understand and confirm now. After this are like liquidity at portfolio, liquidity content traded, and so liquidity was being 2,385 USDT, and portfolio details like available assets in detail. And you can be see the all link detail. And I want you to say that you can buy this token at the maximum rate. You can get on up the income. If this my video hasn't got, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Till then, goodbye, bye bye.